Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Carrie Perrin. Here you're gonna find all things beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. I just wanted to say I know I've been away for like 8 years, but I'm back now. So I just wanted to do a talk through with you guys and we'll get right into it. All right guys, so it's official. Your girl is back on YouTube. Like, it has been so long. So I'm just gonna do a talk through since it's been so long, catch y'all up in like 8 years. So I'm just gonna take some moisturizer. This is the Kiehl's Ultra Face Cream. I love this face cream. I'm just gonna get that all over my skin. This is my favorite primer ever in life. And I'm just gonna take about a pea-sized amount. And I'm just gonna, it's a Hydro Grip eyeshadow base. I like this. And you wanna know what I do too? I like to do my under eyes with it. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown and the, what is this? The brow definer. So I'm gonna do that. I is gonna do that. So while you guys were gone, or while I was gone, I got married. I just got married in October. So I'm super excited about that. We've been together for like 10 years, or really 11. So, but I'm just gonna start here, just doing my brows. All right guys, so I'm just doing my brows here. I just sped it up because it took a while and I had to actually fix them off camera, but that's all good. My first time doing full glam in a while. So I'm just prepping my eyes here for the color. Jaclyn Hill Oldie But Goodie palette. And then I have a new one, a Dose of Colors palette. It's Blushing Berries. So I have that, and I think I'm gonna take this color here, and sorry you can see everything. I think I'm gonna take this color here and I'm gonna just put that in my crease. Like, I'm thinking like berry, you know? And so, and I'm just gonna put this in my, oh yes, that's gorgeous. I love it. All right, so here I'm just blending that color into my crease. I really want to get a depth of color, and I'm taking it and deepening it a little bit and deepening it just a little bit more because I want this to be a cut crease and pretty defined. So I'm just defining my outer V here, adding a darker color in and just blending. And I'm just blending it all together just so it looks a little bit seamless and not harsh. And so I'm just about to add my concealer on, and I haven't done a cut crease in a while, so I definitely struggle a little bit with this concealer because I haven't tried this particular brand before for a cut crease. So now I'm just adding on my color, and I actually did not like how it turned out, and I actually changed it up a little bit off camera, but I wanted to keep going with it just to, you know, push myself. And so I'm actually adding a liner that is a glue liner. So here I'm just doing my face, concealing my under eyes and blending all that out. And then I've been using two concealers, one like kind of in the corners and the other one just like by my eyes, just to give it a different look. And I'm just blending all this out with a sponge. So I'm just blending everything together with a face sponge just so it looks seamless. And I'm using a powder up under my eyes, and I'm taking the same sponge I used, and I'm using my Fenty bronzer there. And I'm just blending that out. I love how seamless it looks. And then I'm just getting the powder up under my eyes and then setting it. And then I'm using an all over face color just to blend it all together and bronze in my face. And then of course you want to set. And then you want to just kind of dry it off with the sponge. And add that highlight, of course. And now on to the lips. I'm doing kind of like a berry coral lip almost. So this is the finished look. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. Please bear with me as I figure out this whole camera thing because I'm looking here and I should be looking here. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.